Cow. The baby cow is called calf. Dog. The baby dog is called puppy. Cat. The baby cat is called kitten. Sheep. The baby sheep is called lamb. Goat. The baby goat is called kid. Pig. The baby pig is called piglet. Ant. The baby ant is called pup. Horse. The baby horse is called foal. Chicken. The baby chicken is called chick. Deer. The baby deer is called fawn. Duck. The baby duck is called duckling. Goose. The baby goose is called gosling. Swan. The baby swan is called cygnet. Owl. The baby owl is called owlet. Donkey. The baby donkey is called colt. Frog. The baby frog is called tadpole. Lion. The baby lion is called Lioncub. Butterfly. The baby butterfly is called caterpillar. Panda. The baby panda is called cub. Ostrich. The baby ostrich is called chick. Turkey. The baby turkey is called poult. Porcupine. The baby porcupine is called porcupine. Elephant. The baby elephant is called calf. Peacock. The baby peacock is called Peachick. Bee. The baby bee is called larva. Monkey. The baby monkey is called infant. Giraffe. The baby giraffe is called calf. Zebra. The baby zebra is called foal. Turtle. The baby turtle is called hatchling. Eagle. The baby eagle is called eaglet. Fox. The baby fox is called kid. Rat. The baby rat is called pup. Kangaroo. The baby kangaroo is called joy.